It's easy to make gardening difficult on yourself. Backyard gardening, we want easy to manage, really comes down to a garden that grows itself. You know, you set it up, you can kind of forget it, and it's going to take care of you, and it's going to grow beautifully well. So you can spend more time enjoying it and not spend all your time weeding it and trying to care for it and, you know, fiddling with it. You know, we want a garden to be highly productive, beautiful, and very sustainable. And, you know, to me, a garden should take you about 5 minutes a day. And you set it up right, it's going to only take you about 5 minutes a day. And most of those minutes are going to be enjoying it. Getting that easy to manage garden is also a matter of making sure that your routines are well established. You know, so you're out there, you're connecting with your garden. One easy way that I like to look at it to make it easy to manage is to make it a routine, not a binge gardening approach. You know, I grew up in the binge gardening approach to gardening. You know, spring break would hit or a day off would hit, and we're all working in the garden, and we tilled everything, and we got all the soil in, and we planted everything all at the same time, and then we didn't touch it for like weeks. Then we get out there, and all of a sudden there's so many weeds, and there's so many issues, and that part died, and I didn't pay attention to this and this or that. So make it a regular routine for yourself, like a moving meditation. I mean, that's what it ends up turning into, a moving meditation, a Zen connection with life and food. I mean, it's a great way, a great gift to yourself. Make it a regular thing. So whether it be every day or once a week, just set aside that time. Schedule it like it's something important in your life, and you'll find that it will give you dividends. And it will definitely, it's worth the time investment. So important to make sure you keep the routine well. Make sure you're checking in on the garden. Don't make it a side thing. Make it part of your thing. Make it part of your life.
Take it little steps at a time. Build it into your routine.